Well, hello everyone. Here's the latest addition to my shop. Always wanted an acorn table or platen table, handy for hot work and jigging up for clamping and things like that. And always wanted one, but they're just so darn expensive, and they weigh at least minimum of a ton. And there's no way to get anything back in my little yard back here. I couldn't get a forklift back here, so I did the next best thing. I built one. So I got the top cut out and the holes punched in it for me at a relative low cost, very cost effective, and got some scrap out of the pipe yard and built one up. I had the holes cut 1.5 inches squared, which is same size as my big anvil, so I can use hardies and things like that. So I just really enjoyed building this. It really was a pretty quick job there. But I just wanted to give an update and thank everyone. I made it also same height as my welding table back there, so if I got long pieces of pipe, I can use it there too. So anyway, I just want to give a quick little update and show this is my favorite spot right here. Just sitting and enjoy the view from my new table. Got my shop set up, very convenient. It's really fun to work in. Everything's handy. I got it set up pretty much like I need. You don't have to go very far to do much work. So anyway, I just hope you like it. Thank you for all my subscribers. I never did set out to get subscribers, but I'm very honored that you would have interest. So thank you. And I look forward to the next video. I'm no telling what I come up with. So thanks for all your interest. Have a good day.